Hey friends, if you wish to fix mouse lag, jumping, non-smooth stuttering issue in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for mouse in the Windows search bar and go to mouse settings. Okay, now increase the mouse speed to the maximum. First of all, to prevent the lag, and then you can click on additional mouse settings here. Then go to pointer options, and there is an option here which says enhance pointer precision. Simply remove it, uncheck it, and then click on apply and then on OK. If this doesn't help, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers once again. And right click on the third one and update the drivers for one last time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.